Okay, we'll start with the VW Crafter. It's the N-Class 680 in silver, automatic. Right, let's just have a quick look on the outside. On this one, as you can see, it's got the Hartle door instead of the sliding door. It's very smart. It's got an awning with lights. Let's go down the side. There's a gas. Got a gas tank underneath. Some smart wheels. And you've got a good sized boot. Yeah, that is a good size. Don't know whether I'll be able to get down this side. No, I'll never fit down there. Right, let's have a look inside. Right, that's a nice dashboard, automatic as I said before. Leather steering wheel, very smart. It's grey leather and like a blue cloth. Yeah, it's very nice. Let's have a look at this cupboard. Oh, plenty of storage in this motorhome. I do like these cupboards, the way they open. It's a lot easier. It's all your electrics. Oh wow, that is a nice big wardrobe. Table storage there and the pole. And you got your aerial, and you got your TV booster there. That's lovely. Kitchen on this side, you've got a sink, there's no drainer, and an oven and a grill. That's lovely. It is nice. You've got a tip-up extension, lift-up extension for the worktop. You have to excuse the lights a bit flashing in here. It doesn't like my camera. I've got the fridge there. It's a manual fridge. Still a good size. And here they've got what, 3 drawers. Bottom one is a little bit bigger. Yeah, that's lovely. Yeah, all soft close. Moving round. Oh, got a USB light switch, I'd imagine. Yeah, light switch there. 240 volt socket. And you've got a range of 1, 2. There's 4 cupboards this side. All nicely carpeted. That one's the same. I shan't open all the cupboards, I don't think. That one's a large cupboard. Oh, that's enormous. Wow. You can get some stuff in there. 2 more cupboards there. This one's got a solar panel, that's the control over the solar panel. They've all got fly screens and blinds. They are nice. Oh, that is flickering now. There's the controls, you've got Truma blow air heating. Electric socket, 12 volt socket, USB points, TV position there, That's good. Alright, let's have a look in the shower room. Oh wow, that is nice. That is really nice. Cupboard space underneath. Oh, plenty of storage in there. Towel rail. It's all nice quality stuff. That's metal, it's not plastic. That is really nice. Nice bowl. And you've got cupboard space at the top as well. Yeah, that's lovely. A Thetford electric toilet. Yeah, you've got 2 windows, and it's also got a fan as well, extractor fan, coat hook there. That is really spacious, I do like that. Yeah, that is great. And this will be 2 singles. Quite easy to make single beds on this. Border position there. Oh, that is heavy. Or empty space there. That's lovely. Lovely soft leather. Yeah, that's a lovely van. It's a lot of money though. I think this one's 91,000. Just confirm that. 91,786. Very nice van though.